are going to try the 2-ingredient biscuit. Yep, 2 ingredients. I know, I can't believe it either, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out today, y'all. Okay, so we need 2 cups of self-rising flour. It has to be self-rising. Apparently self-rising flour already has a lot of the other ingredients. So, and we need 1.5 cups of a heavy whipping cream. 1.5 cups. Where you at? That's a half. Quarter. Oh my Lord, I really can't do 1.5 cups of this. Duh! This is only 1 cup. Please let me have enough, y'all. Let me have enough. Okay, let's get that flour into the bowl. This is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now we're going to add a half. Raise and boil, y'all, we need it. So we have 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Let's get the mix in. Shell. I'm gonna make biscuits for Mom this morning. Now y'all know Mom is old school. I don't know how this 2-ingredient biscuit gonna go over. But we're gonna find out today. My space has been thoroughly cleaned. Why are you saying that? Because I'm going to put flour all over. Yep, we're about to make a mess. I'm just going to take this. Oh, it's very sticky. Put it right in that flour. Right in the flour. Yes. Jesus. So I put the flour into the flour on the counter is what I'm trying to say. And we're just going to put this into a little ball. I'm going to put some extra flour. I'm going to put flour on my hands, and I'm also going to flour my roller. And we're going to roll this baby out, starting from the center, guys. So roll it out. What y'all think? You think these 2-ingredient biscuits are going to be good? Alright. Freeze my cookie sheet using coconut oil. Okay, I'm just gonna spread. Just greasing my pan, guys. I'm using coconut. What is this? Coconut oil, I guess. Because I have shortened. I have a mason jar. I'm going to dip that in the flour, and then we're gonna these are very flat.
See how many we can get.
Let's go ahead and put this mixture back together. so thin this time. Maybe that'll help with the thickness. I don't want them to be so thin. Oops. Let's see what we're working with. There you go. Okay, so you want them thicker, don't want your dough out so flat, guys. Can you see the difference? That's a little thicker. Let's do a comparison. See that? Eat all these biscuits. Why am I getting so many? You don't think you're gonna eat them? You're gonna have them this morning with some eggs and some bacon. That's the plan. You're not feeling that this morning? My homemade biscuits that I'm working so hard on over here. Here we go. We're gonna put these babies in the oven at 450 degrees for about 12 minutes. I'll keep you all posted, and I just might glaze butter on top of my biscuits. Just like really bothering me. Look how thin they are. Like how much can they possibly rise?
Yeah, but it might.
Okay, so I'll leave it like that.
That's how you know you learn.
Really tiny, but that's what they're looking like. Golden brown, two ingredient biscuits. Yes, sir.